Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that ordering of elements in the list, right? So we discussed that ordering of elements in the list. So normally how many types of ordering the elements by using two ways. One is a reverse function and the second one is a sort function, right? So for sort function, so we can take numbers separately, strings separately. But if you are taking both in simultaneously, so it is not going to work out and it's going to give type error not supported between instances of int and string. Okay, so this is what we discussed as part of in the last session. Okay, so if you are taking both combinedly in Python 2 it is possible and in Python 3 it is not possible. And we observed that last one to sort default natural sorting order. So how we can do default natural sorting order means by using this way. Okay, by using this way. So now today the concept is the today concept is aliasing and cloning of list objects. Okay, aliasing and cloning of lists object. Aliasing and cloning of a lists object. See, first of all, we have to understand what is aliasing and cloning of list objects. Then we can go for further what is the problem and what is the next thing like. Okay. So aliasing and cloning of list objects means the process of giving another reference variable to the existing list is nothing but an aliasing. Okay. The process of giving another reference variable. Okay. Another reference variable to the existing. Okay, the process of giving another reference variable to the existing. Okay, to the existing list. Okay, to the existing list is called aliasing. Is called aliasing. That means I will take one program. See, observe here first what I am taking means I'm taking one list. Okay, I'm taking one list. What I'm doing that list means first I'm printing that list. Okay, I'm printing that list. Next what I'm doing means ls1 is equal to ls. Okay, okay, so first before to this when I'm showing ls and let me show the print id of ls. Okay, print id of ls. This is nothing but id. This is nothing but id. See here, next point, id is nothing but id of ls. So what I'm doing means I'm taking another variable and assigning this list to another variable. Okay, I'm taking another variable and assigning that content to this variable. See, by using this one, observe only first id after aliasing id ls1 and here also ls1. See, observe here, I'm taking one list, I'm printing that list and I'm printing that id of list. I'm taking another variable and I'm storing that list to this variable. Here what I am doing means I'm printing that list 1. After that I'm printing after aliasing id. Okay, after aliasing id I'm printing that list 1. See, I'm running that program. Here this is the first list what I have taken. So if you observe the id, if you observe the id here and after aliasing both are same. Okay, both are same. So next what I'm want to express here is, suppose ls1 is equal to ls is there. Here what I am doing means ls1 of ls1 of 1 ls1 of 1 is equal to, I'm taking 9999. So after I am changing the information 5 to 9999, so what happens? Observe. Okay, what happens? Observe carefully now. See, this is the first list. Okay, this is the first list. What is the ID? This is the ID. Okay, don't think that in the previous case it is giving another ID, now it is giving different ID. Means run to run ID is going to give different ID. Okay, ID function is going to give return every time different IDs. Okay, every time it is going to give different IDs. But if you observe here, I'm printing here, what I'm printing, only ls1 I'm printing. So let me print original list. Okay, let me print original list. Okay, let me print original list. Let me print original list. See, original list here I'm printing. If you observe here, the first time this is the list. ID will be this one, 75296 75296. But the content here is changed. Okay, that is affected to the original list also. Okay, that is affected to the original list also. That means here what happening internally, let me explain the same thing with the diagrammatic and then you will get much clarity. Okay, then you will get much clarity. Then you will get much clarity. Paint. Just here I'm taking the list. Okay. So now what I'm doing here is, this is one cell, this is one cell, this is okay. So now first what I'm doing here, okay, now first what I'm doing here. So now first what I'm doing, ls. Okay, so ls is pointing to this object. Okay, ls is pointing to this object. Okay, ls is pointing to this object. So next thing what I'm doing, ls1 is equal to ls. So the same information I'm taking another variable and I'm storing to another variable. That means now what I'm doing, now what happening here is ls1. Okay, ls1 also pointing to this object up to here. Okay, up to here. So that's why in the first case, okay, that's why in the first case here we got the same ID. So in the second case, okay, if you observe in the second case, I have changed the information to this variable. Okay, I have changed the information to this variable to what I have given 9999. Okay, I have given 9999. So when I have given 9999, list 1 is got updated. Okay, list 1 got updated here. Okay, if you observe here, list 1 got updated. I'm changing 99 and I'm printing that 99. So after aliasing that id, if you observe here, here and here, one second. Hmm. The thing what happening here is when I'm assigning the information to the this variable. Okay, when I'm assigning the information to this variable, which variable? List 1. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, so on, right? So I have changed 5 to 999. When I changed 5 to 999, okay, when I changed 5 to 999, so automatically the original list, okay, the original list what I have given, that content is also got changed. Okay, that content is also got changed. Okay, this is the problem with the aliasing concept. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, when you are changing something in the original list, I mean duplicated list, alias list, so it is affecting to the original list also. Okay, it is affecting to the original list also. That means whenever we are whenever we are changing the value, okay, whenever we are changing the value in the aliasing aliasing object aliasing object automatically, okay, whenever we are changing the value in aliasing object, automatically it is affecting affecting to the original list, affecting to the original list. Okay, it is affecting to the original list. Whenever we are changing the value in the aliasing object, automatically affecting to the original list. So to prevent this problem, okay, to prevent this problem, okay, to prevent this problem, go for we have to go for two ways. We can, to prevent this problem, we can problem to prevent this problem, we can go by using two ways. Okay, two ways. First one is by using slice operator. Okay, by using slice operator. By using slice operator. Second one is by using copy function. By using copy function. Okay, by using slice operator, and the second one by using a copy function. Okay, this is as part of first one, aliasing and cloning of list objects. Okay, observed, right? Clear. The process of giving another reference variable to the existing list is nothing but aliasing. Okay, this is nothing but aliasing. But the problem here is whenever you are changing the original aliasing object, so original list also it is getting affected. So it is a problem. So okay, to prevent this problem, we can resolve that by using we can resolve. Okay, we can resolve by using two ways. Okay, this is by using slice operator and by using copy function. Okay, so in the next session we are going to discuss about these two functions. Okay, these two operators, how we can resolve. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.